southeast winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. Where? In Connecticut, northern Fairfield, northern New Haven, and northern Middlesex counties. In New Jersey, Hudson County. In New York, southern Westchester, New York, Manhattan, Bronx, and Richmond, Staten Island counties. When? From midnight Sunday night to noon Eastern Standard Time Monday. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. High wind watch in effect from late Sunday night through Monday morning. What? Southeast winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible. Where? Portions of southern Connecticut and southeast New York. When? From late Sunday night through Monday morning. Impacts. Damaging winds could blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are possible. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates on this situation. Fasten loose objects or shelter objects in a safe location prior to the onset of winds.